In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with development in CodeMix, how to create a new project or import an existing project. What we have here is a fresh CodeMix installation and an empty workspace. Let's say we want to create a React project. The easiest way to get started is to use the new project wizard. So go to File, New, Project, and expand the CodeMix node. Now you can see there are a number of project wizards here: Angular, Node, PHP, Python. So you can choose a wizard based on what you want to do, of course. We're going to use the React project wizard right now. Type in a name, say React demo, and finish. All right, so now a couple of things are happening here. First, we create a skeleton React application for you. And second, we are installing extensions that will add additional React support to your CodeMix installation. Now, CodeMix does include support for React out of the box, but we are installing a few additional extensions, like one for NPM, for instance, which would make development a lot more convenient. So now, getting back to our project, we have a few getting started instructions here. You should follow these instructions to, install NPM dependencies and ultimately serve your project. I'm going to do something similar. So I open up the command palette, Control-Shift-P, say npm install dependencies, and run that. And what that does is opens up a terminal for me and runs the npm install command. Now, I'm not really going to wait for that installation to complete. It's going to take a long time. Let's head over to index.js, and I'll show you how some of the content assist and JSX support works. I'm just going to delete all this, and I'm going to use this little snippet here to insert a block of boilerplate for a new React component. Just going to put in a dummy method here, and I'll show you a bit of the content assist. So we go to the div and say on mouse down. Let's not. All right. See that the content assist picked up the method that was defined there, and if I press Control and click, it would even navigate to that point. Pretty cool. Now, if you're not starting from scratch and you already have a React project, you can install the React extension pack yourself by going to Help, CodeMix Extensions, and this brings up our CodeMix Extension Manager. This shows you the extension packs and other extensions that you have installed. The new project wizard just resulted in the installation of the React pack. Now, if I want to install additional packs or extensions, I click Browse Extensions, and that brings up our extension browser. So again, we've got extension packs for a number of key technologies: Angular, Python, Node, Vue, and each extension pack will even contain a list of you can see a list of extensions contained in that pack as well. So normally you just choose get pack, and that pack would be installed for you. Now, any extensions that you download using this browser will automatically be installed in CodeMix for you. Or you can also click Install from VSIX file, this little option here, and that will install from any extension files that you have locally. So once the pack is installed, all you need to do is go to File, Open Project from File System, specify your directory, and that project will be imported into your workspace for you, and you'll have React support immediately. Don't even need to restart the IDE.